Welcome everybody. Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and we are back with another brand new video. And it's me Vijay Kevin who's talking in this video. And basically in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your location in Instagram. So basically watch this video carefully until the end and you guys should be able to change your Instagram location. But just remember this, different location has different feature in Instagram. For an example, in Nepal we don't have Instagram music, so if I change to India I can get Instagram music, but the feature which is exclusive to Nepal, you're not going to get that. It's going to be changed. All right, so there are some things you need to do in order to change your location in Instagram. You cannot do it in a personal account. You need to switch your account into business account, which I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do this in this video. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you come to your Instagram, you click on your profile picture icon at the bottom, click on the three line at the top right corner, and you go on versus settings. Now once you go under setting, what you want to do is you want to go on versus account. Once you go on account, scroll all the way down and click on switch to professional accounts over here. Once you do that, click on continue and continue again, and click on continue. And over here what you want to do is you can choose whichever category you want. I'm just going to go with editor. Click on done. Now wait for some time until like the next process comes up. And once you're in this step, you got to choose business. Click on next. So once you're over here where it says business address, you got to click on business address, and over here you got to enter the address. So if you want to change it into like another country, you need to enter the street address of another country. You need to enter the city or like the town of another country and the zip code of another country. After you enter the information and you click on next, on the next page your business account will be created with a new location. So that's how you guys can change it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Everybody, you're watching How to Guide. See you guys next time.